Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cat in a pumpkin hack on Dress to Impress. So to do that, you are going to get the pumpkin, and I'm just going to color it normally. Then you're going to go into one of the changing rooms here, and then press E, and then select the cat. Looks a little bit weird now, but you're going to select the toggle here, and you're going to select hold out. And as you can see, it looks like the cat's like coming out of the pumpkin, which is so adorable. And that is it for this tutorial. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.